magluluto tayo ng tofu with long beans. Tapos yung nagluluto ay 3 years old, si Sunny. Si Calvo nagluluto, guys, tingnan natin. Oh. Diba, nagluluto siya. Anong ginagawa niya? Enough, enough. Don't mix. Lagi yan siyang ganyan, guys. Pag nagluluto ako, talagang gusto niya. Siya yung maglagay dyan sa, oh, sa kawali. Careful. Hot, right? Ganito, auntie. Oops. Careful. Don't mix first. Siya naglagay niyan, guys. Kaso takot yan mapaso. Like this, Auntie Ticho.
I don't want.
Okay.
I don't want to.
See? Anong ginagawa niya? Balikta rin niya. Letter la. Make brown first. Ito po make brown. Takot. If brown already, and then you can you can turn around if turn the other side if it become brown. Make brown first, okay? Don't go like this.